Alright, what's up, guys? Got the new microphone testing out. One tooth down, 3 cells, 2, 3. Alright. GPS zeroed, just reading 2 for me, moving it around. Feels like a weird night. I think it's funny when you show up somewhere 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning and the homeless people here try to give you attitude like it's their place. It's just comical to me. I don't miss doing security and having to kick them off property though. They always get nasty. Just here to run my car and go home. Alright. Uh-oh. Car coming. Ah! That was sketchy. Whew, I saw the headlights. Security. I used to work for that security company. Alright. Oh! She was veering to the right there. Alright. I think I can do another pass. We got some cars coming over the hill. That felt good. That felt strong. I was a little too timid on the throttle there. I could have got into it a little quicker, a little harder. Should have called out full throttle when I hit it. I was more worried about not crashing. Alright. Open her up this way. Things are warm. Alright, we're slower now. 94. Yep, that's kind of what I figured. Man, this 100's just eluding me. The motor's not too hot. I can hold my hand on it. It's irritating. That's irritating. And I only stepped it down one tooth. I think I'm gonna make one more attempt. Let's see how this new trim setting's doing. It is veering to the right pretty good. Okay. Pretty clear. Just got one coming. Oh, this car's coming over the hill. I have to fast forward this part. Oh, I'm good, man. Oh, no, hey, take it easy, dude. Take it easy. Easy.
Huh?
Whoa, don't do that again. Don't do that again, dude.
Fuck your fucking problem, man. Again. This I'll fucking break this shit, bitch.
Hey, we're cool, man.
Fuck you.
Take it easy.
The fuck you fucking my old lady for, bitch?
Doing. I just asked what she was doing.
Fuck you give a fuck what you doing, bitch?
Dude, you hit me again, you're gonna get shot.
Shoot me, bitch.
I don't want to.
I don't give a fuck. Fuck you, faggot. What the fuck you care what my old lady's doing, bitch? I don't give a fuck. Shoot me, bitch. Shoot me, bitch.
I don't want to.
Shoot me, faggot.
I was just asking what
Shoot me,
doing,
faggot.
that's all.
Shoot me, faggot. What the fuck do you care what my old lady's doing?
I was just asking what
The fuck do you care what my old lady's doing?
I'm out here running my car. You see what I'm doing?
I don't give a fuck. What the fuck do you care what my old lady's doing?
Because she was walking by my car.
What the
dude.
fuck do you care what my old lady's doing?
I just told you. Well, take it easy, man.
Fuck you.
Yeah, fuck me. God bless you. Yeah. And you're on video too. You're gonna go on YouTube. Alright, so now after calling 911, got these homeless creatures circling around my car talking shit. Because when you pull a gun on someone and he came back around like he was getting my plate, like he was gonna get some information or something, or call 911. So when you do that, you have to be the first one to call 911. So thank God I didn't have to shoot him. I didn't want to. I'm glad I had a cool head. Well, definitely gonna have to find a new spot. I might just go across the street, because they like to camp out in these woods. But yeah, my gut was right. I said at the beginning of the video, it feels like a weird night. Yeah, I wasn't expecting homie to hit me in the face. He kind of shoved me with one hand and hit me with the other one. I feel my lip swelling up, my tongue swelling up a little bit. But yeah, like I told him, you're going on YouTube, buddy. What are the joys of night speedrunning? This lady came out. Of course, they come out right when I come out. And I'm watching her. She asked me something about what's your problem or something. I said, I'm just watching what you're doing. She said she's getting water for her cats. Do I need any water too? I said, no, no thank you, I'm good. And then her boyfriend comes out here yelling. I guess he wasn't happy about that. Alright, well, I'm back at home base. Settled down a little bit. It's about an hour and 45 minutes later. Yeah, I'm not even using my microphone this time. It's just the camera, just the phone mic. So yeah, that was interesting. The cops finally showed up. It's 2 officers. They were really cool. Took my information and everything, and just let me know, you know, I'm in the right with stand your ground and everything. So in case this guy decides to call, you know, later or whatever and say I pulled a gun on him, my butt's covered. So no damage to the car. That freaking jerk tried to step on the car, and you can obviously hear the language he was using. I think from my security experience and watching so many body cam videos and people, those type of situations, I kept my head pretty good. And I really didn't want to shoot that guy. But he came real close. If he came at me one more time, he was going to get it. But thank God he backed off. The gun was a deterrent. It stopped him because he was ready to keep swinging. So, yeah. The joys of speed running at night. In a ghetto neighborhood. But, yeah, the cop, I don't want to say cop. The officers were real cool. They were trying to tell me, you know, there's a, you know, the area, pretty much where I run the boats, try to, you know, go over there. I said, you know, if anything, I'll probably just go across the street where there's, you know, there's more businesses. It's more of industrial, because that patch of woods I was facing there, that's a homeless camp. And they said they were going to step up the patrols there and start looking more at it. So if they see that guy, he's going to jail. So sucks for him. Can't let your emotions rule your actions until you end up with charges. But yeah. As for the gearing, I'm not really sure where to go on that. That's, I mean, I was expecting to see, you know, at least a target speed, but, you know, it seems like we're losing speed now. So I don't know if a larger pinion or what, but I think I'm going to try a different motor, different ESC combo and see what happens. Or maybe just a different motor. I think I need a more torquier motor. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll got some boat action coming tomorrow and probably some drone flights. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.